Wait 5 more minutes. Wait 5 more minutes. Okay. Today we'll discuss about latest interview questions in IBM WebSphere application servers. Okay. Okay. First one. First one. Okay. First one. Tell me about yourself. This is the first question and answer. Hi, all. Good evening. Myself Ganesh, having 7+ years of total experience. Currently currently working in IT services. Okay. My roles and responsibilities are installing the installation manager using command line with was admin user. Second one, installing and configuring the IBM WebSphere application server application server ND product with the version with or followed by the version 8.5 and version 9.0 and creating the profiles using command line and graphical user interface mode. Fourth one, federation of application server profiles to integrated console, that is nothing but DMGR deployment manager. Okay. Fifth one, very much interesting to create the data source in non-prod and production environment. Okay. After this, and based on the vulnerabilities, we will do the we'll do the patches of the servers based on the requirement based on the requirement. Okay. And we will solve SCD points, security related document they given, and perform DCDR activities based on the requirement. Based on the requirement, we achieve the out of memory issues in production environment. Production environment with the help of PMR team problem management record. PMR team involved in the patching work with Ansible team and Linux patching involved in the Linux patching and database purge activities database purging activities comma table spaces of the database and etc. 11th one, we are working with shifts with 24/7 support 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 monitor the production servers and resolving the JMS and hung threads related issues and etc. These are my roles and responsibilities. So second thing, question number 2. What is the difference between management versus default? Okay, this is answer this question. Okay, first one, difference means management or DMGR will be in DMGR template while creating the profiles we will use management or DMGR profile templates. What templates means? Profile templates. Okay, profile templates profile templates and default means while creating the application server profile, we are using profile template as a default template. I will show you the evidence. I am logging as VAS admin user. I will start my network manager by using nmcli con up ens33. After that, I will log in my putty sessions. nmcli con up ens33. This is network manager. I started my network manager bus. This is my IP address. Okay, I will log in my putty sessions and I increase my font size of the putties. VAS admin at the rate 123 is my session name, a password. So I will go to OPT IBM WebSphere app server bin. There is manage profile.sh, the script is there. To find out or not, we can use list. There is script is there. In the script, what content is there in the script? We can go to this. Okay, Java path. They will declare a Java path and what is the platform and where, was, whom, everything need to be written. Okay, after that dot slash manage profile dot sh hyphen create hyphen profile name. I will make I have I have dmgr is there. I will create another dmgr too. Okay, I will create another dmgr too. I have dmgr. I will create another dmgr profile hyphen profile path slash opt ibm WebSphere app server profile templates. In this profile templates, this is DMGR means the deployment manager profile we are creating. Management also we can create deployment manager. Manager means custom profile we are creating. Secure proxy means configuration template we are using. And default means application server profile. Cell means create DMGR plus federated application server profile. So I will create management template, sorry, hyphen, sorry, here profiles dmgr02 hyphen template path slash opt ibm WebSphere app server profile templates. Under that management, yes, management hyphen cell name, we are use give any cell name. Based on that, it will create any cell name, can give no issues. dmgr underscore cell 2 hyphen node name dmgr underscore node 2. We are creating this profile by using manage profiles.sh is the script. Based on the script, we can execute ampersand means back and it will be execute. If any errors, it will execute, it will exit the output and go to back cd logs. Here manage profiles is the directory. In the manage profiles, dmgr2 is not there, it will create dmgr2. Okay, it will create dmgr2. Dmgr1 is not, one is there, dmgr2 is not there. Here I click jobs, it will running. So it finally it will create here in the log. Until wait 1 minute, I will come. Okay, okay. Yeah, dmgr2 profile created, tail space hyphen 10f dmgr2 underscore create dot log will be creating. In this log, profile will be successfully federated or not, it will shows in the in this log. Okay, Windows given alert. Windows 10 expires October 2025. Okay, so we can update Windows 10 to Windows 11. See, Windows backup help transfer import files. It will show alert. Okay, wait 2 more minutes. It will complete. So it is success. It will show success message. It will displayed. So here jobs running, still running. Why still running? It will not execute backend still running. So it will in talk on success. Okay. Now jobs now completed. One step back and go to bin. use same command. Use same command. I will create app server 2 profile. I will give the server name as India. I will give any name, no issues. Here, default template traits for application server profile. Hyphen server name. We can give server name as test server, or we can give any name. We can give any name. Server name. I will give server name as VM VMware. I will give server name as VMware. Hyphen server type application server profile. Okay. Hyphen starting port. I will give one starting port, means port starting from here 0 to 45,539 port numbers. It will use between the port numbers. We will use the all port numbers in this range. So I will use 17023 ampersand. Okay, 379313 is the process ID. Jobs. Go to one step back, logs. Manage profiles is the directory. In this profile, dmjar2 is there. Okay. Now, already dmjar profile is created with success message by using management template and dmjar template. We are using only one at a time. Now we are using default template as a interview question. Say Instacom failed. Why failed? Why failed? Is there any command is wrong? We can verify. So here default spelling mistake. So command is mistake. So we are using default template. Default spelling mistake. So this is the default spelling mistake. Okay. So This is a mistake, so I correct it. That way easily identify where mistake is happened and we will solve. See, profile path is not valid. One step back, CD profiles. Is the profile is created? Yes. RM space RF app server 2. And another most thing, go to logs, CD manage profiles, RM space RF app server 2 underscore create dot log. Okay. And go to one step back, ls profile registry.xml cd properties is there. Okay. Vim, is there any created inside? App server 2 is not mentioned, so no issues. Okay, cd bin, app srv2. Any issues we will see. No issues we will face because earlier what I will mistaken means this is mistaken profile path, default is spelling mistake, and app server 2 is already created. Again we are creating app server 2 profile with failed profile. So I deleted profile with the name is app server 2 in the profiles directory, and I will verify I have verified in profile registry.xml profile is registered or not by in this XML. If we register, we can delete particular line and use rm space rf command. Then working fine, no issues reported. So by default means server one will be creating in the real time scenarios. So we don't want a server one. We will use our own server name as VMware or any other server name based on the real time organization scenarios. So here, So profile is successfully created. There is no issues about that. Now DMGR profile creation already completed. I will copy paste here in the notepad for future reference. Okay, this is my DMGR. So clear everyone. I am going to app server profiles and DMGR2 bin. I will start the DMGR by using start manager.sh or start server.sh. Server name is the script. This script will comes while installing the VAS product. This script automatically it will comes while creating the profiles. These are the scripts inbuilt scripts available. No need to write the script. Start manager.sh. After that, question number 3. If federa- federation was completed by mistakenly or by mistakenly or intentionally I was changed the soap port connector of the DMGR. Is there any impact of their impact? Can you explain briefly? I will show you the evidence. Is there any impact or not? I will start the server first created the two profiles named as DMGR02 comma APPSRV02 and will do federation and will change the SOAP connector port for DMGR. port 2 for DMGR. Divide 79 is there. We will change 880 is application server already is there. 880, what is the impact? What will be the impact? We will show in the real time scenarios. So okay, 880 is application server. We will give any other ports. Wait 5 minutes. Okay. So I will federate the application server profile. Okay. Dot slash yard node dot sh VAS server. You don't know, right? What is the port number? So I will look port number cd dmgr2 cd logs cat about this. See, 8885. So okay, cd app server 2 cd bin dot slash yard node dot sh dmgr soap connector port number and dmgr IP address or host name, and this is the soap connector port number. If yard node is success or failure, we will see in the yard node dot log is there. We will find out any issues in the log, or we will display the steps in the screen. Federation is completed. Successfully, federation completed. Node agent is launching. After that, I will change the DMGR of soap connector port number. Is there any impact? I will show you the evidence. Okay. Now federation is completed. This is the successfully message will comes. Okay. After that, suddenly, suddenly will change the DMGR soap connector port number. Is there any impact? Will seen. Will seen. I will start the DMGR. Already started. I am starting the node agent. Node start node.sh. Start server.sh. VMware. Already node is running. No issues. If I start already starting the node, it will shows no issues, no errors will face. otherwise exit. ps-f pipe symbol grep appsrv underscore no2 not running app, right? So node agent is running. So I will open the console and I will start it. What is the port number? 9065. HTTP 192.168.1.10 9065 slash IBM slash console. Yes, DMGR console is started. Now we are starting. Now, now we are going to start the server. VMware is my server. I will start. Okay, server started. So I will change the port number from backend or console. It will reflect server index.xml. Okay, I will go to backend cd config cells dmgr cell. Okay, cd nodes cd dmgr node cd servers cd dmgr server.xml. 1 minute. Here server index.xml file will be available. Here server index.xml vim. I will change 8885 to I will change or 8890. Okay, I will change the port number based on anything. Okay. In this scenario, is there any impact? Is there an impact? I will stop the server manager in the console. I will stop the server. Node agent also I will stop. DMJR is stopped. So I will stop backend. Okay. Kill all Java. Okay. Now I will start clear the cache. Okay. Now I delete temp device temp config rm space rf temp and cd bin. I will start the manager profile. Manager means includes DMGR profile. Is there any impact? Will see. Now DMR is started. Now I will plan to start the application server profile and node. Is there any impact? I will clear the cache. Don't clear the cache while running the server. If will do, server may be crash or configuration may be lost due to some reasons. Now I will delete temp, double S temp. Now I will go to I will start the node and a node agent and server. Is there any impact or not? We will see in the real time scenarios. After federation, after the federation, by mistakenly or intentionally, we are changing the SOAP connector port of the DMGR. Okay, in this scenario, is there any impact of the app server or DMGR? DMGR, no impact, already we seen. Now we are starting app server. We will see is there any impact or not after the federation. This is most recent interview question. Node agent also no issues. Is there any impact? On the server, we will see. There is no impact. Say no impact. Okay. No impact after the federation of federation. We will change swap connector port number. This is the evidence, and DMJ profile also successfully completed. This is DMJ profile also successfully after the federation also after the change of port number it will successfully federation. See, after successfully federed there is no impact after the change of soap connector port number. Okay, this is the most recent interview question. Okay, question number 4. Tell me the steps. Tell me the steps to start or stop the service. Stop the service. First one, stop server.sh under server name. Next, stop node.sh, and third one, start manager.sh. Fourth one, IHS, IBM HTTP server. These are the steps. Question number 5. Tell me the architecture flow of the WebSphere. Client sends request to the DNS domain naming system. DNS to load balancer, load balancer to web application firewall. Okay, web application firewall to web application firewall to HTTP server, that is nothing but web server to application server. Okay, application server to data, so application server to database. This is the flow of the architecture. This is flow of the architecture. Question number 6. Tell me the process for SSL implementation. Answer. Now, tell me the request flow of the web sphere. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, this is we have key store and trust store is available in the servers in a HHS level. KDB, RDB, STH is available. Self-signed certificates. We will import. We will add. We will add. We will add key stores. Any third-party certificates will be add in signers under the trust store. Okay, this is the evidence. Question number 7. At what scenarios your certificate will be renewed? At what scenarios certificate will be renewal? At what scenarios certificate will be expires within a week? We will raise the CSR to the client. Based on the CSR, client provides the SSL certificates with signature algorithms, that is nothing but SHA 256 algorithm and fingerprint. Okay, 2048 or 4096 and everything it will be there under signers and SSL ciphers. Okay, that is SSL underscore TLS with RSA 256 with 256 with SHA 256 is the cipher is there. Based on the cipher we can, I am not told exactly, I am not remember. This cipher we can match, then we can use. Okay. Question number 8. How to create the IHS by using unmanaged node. We will create IHS definition. Okay. By using unmanaged node, we will create web server. Okay. After that, question number 9. What are the most important configuration files for VAS and IHS and logs? What are the main configuration files for VAS and WebSphere and HTTP server and logs? This is server.xml is the most important configuration file for WebSphere application server. HTTP://d.conf is the most important configuration file for HTTP server. Plugin-cfg.xml is the most important configuration file for plugin-cfg.xml. Okay, this is the most important. And logs wise, logs in systemout.log and systemerror.log for WebSphere application server. For IHS, access.log and error.log. Okay, what is the directory structure? Directory structure. Directory structure they are asked for VAS, for WebSphere, application server prospect2 cd /opt IBM WebSphere app server profiles appsrv02 is my profile name. Logs, under that my VMware is the my server. This is the logs. In the log there is systemout.log, there is system error.log will be there. I will show you the evidence. CD logs, CD VMware. This is the log directory structure for the WebSphere. Okay. For IHS, CD OPT IBM HTTP server logs under that. Here no logs are created, so I have not started server. So I will start the server by using Apache CTL-K start. See, access log and error log will be generated. Okay, like that, it will automatic generated while running the server, while start the server. Okay, okay. This is most recent interview question. This is most recent interview questions. Okay, I think it's number 6. Okay, step number 6. Okay, you're also as 6 number. Okay, I will stop the recording. If anybody learns WebSphere and WebLogic and AWS and DevOps, please reach out to me, and we will launch a Udemy course at the 2 3 later upcoming months. Okay, we will launch WebSphere course in Udemy, for the price of rupees 7,990 rupees as per Indian standards, and bundles and troubleshooting concepts, shooting documents will be charged extra, rupees 4999 for softwares and troubleshooting documents. Okay, will share the link after the publishing the course. Okay. Ah, thank you for watching this. Please share and